Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the Minecraft error codes SD-002-0. Marketplace is having some issues, please try again later, and let's get straight into the video. So there are a few things that you can do right away. The first method you guys can do is simply just restart your PC, close Minecraft, restart your PC, and check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can do is go ahead and open up your search bar and then hit Minecraft launcher. Once you find Minecraft launcher right here, just go ahead and hit run as an administrator and then basically open up Minecraft this way. Once Minecraft is open, you can go ahead and check to see if that also fixes the issue. The third method you guys can do is simply just perform a network reset or just restart your Wi-Fi router, and you can do that by unplugging the power cord from your router for about 30 seconds. Once that's done, you should be good to go. I also recommend restarting your PC right after again. Once you restart your network router or Wi-Fi router, and once you're done with that, you guys should be good to go and you are all set. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.